Restoration Foundation is a community-based organisation that formed after the 2016 coral bleaching events. Our community was concerned that the places that we loved were under attack from the forces of nature, augmented by climate change. When Reef Restoration Foundation came together with Sunlover Reef Cruises, it was a match made in heaven. We partnered with Sunlover Reef Cruises because they've got the ideal pontoon site, they've got all the infrastructure, and they have an embedded culture of stewardship around the way they operate on the Great Barrier Reef. And Reef Restoration Foundation has a shared set of values with this great company. In essence, what we do is we grow corals in our coral nurseries and we plant them back out on the reef to assist the natural process of recovery and to accelerate it. The installation at Moore Reef involves 10 tree frames. Now these tree frames are suspended in the water column, and we're able to put our coral fragments in there where they're free from attack by parasites and predators, and they get greater access to sunlight for photosynthesis. So we'll have a team in the water today that will be doing routine maintenance. The nursery is only 3 months old, so we need to make sure that there's no corals that are entangled, there's no algae growing on them, and we just generally care for these corals, because after another 2 or 3 months, we'll plant them back out on the reef and we'll nurture those corals through to maturity so that they're able to spawn and play their natural role in regenerating coral reefs. So we are nursery keepers. We try and take corals back to play their natural role in the environment. Moore Reef is a natural choice for Reef Restoration Foundation to examine the science around assisted reef recovery. Not only is it one of the most visited sites on the entirety of the Great Barrier Reef, which gives it an enormous economic value and social value to our community, but it's a biologically important site that acts as a spillover for biological diversity for other reefs in the region. And so, in testing the science around assisted reef recovery, there is no better choice than Moore Reef, and we've chosen very well to partner with Sunlover Reef Cruises. Sunlover Reef Cruises brings tens of thousands of people out to Moore Reef every year. Each one of these individuals will go home as lifelong ambassadors. So it's an ideal opportunity to teach people about the work that we do and the culture of stewardship that exists here, not only in Sunlover, but also all throughout the Great Barrier Reef, and how we're building resilience in one of the great ecosystems of the world.